morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Bizia. And what's your name?
My name is Galiza.
Wow, that's a beautiful name. Where do you live?
I live in Bireuen. And where do you live?
I live in Bahasa.
Nice to meet you. What is your hobby?
My hobby are the listening to music and the painting. And how about you?
My hobby are reading novel and listening to music.
Oh wow, so nice. What is your dream job?
I want to be a singer.
How many people are there
I
after
want to
you?
be a specialist doctor
Can
after
I
you.
enter
That
before
is so
you?
good.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. How much is altogether?
7,250.
Here it is.
Wow, your money is too big. You have small change?
Now, how the change?
2,750. Anything else?
No, nothing.